Thinking of studying in the heart of Paris, the Paris Business School is an emerging institution. Offering high quality business and management programs with a strong focus on innovation, entrepreneurship, and international exposure. Paris Business School is known for its practical, industry driven curriculum and global business connections. Located in one of the world's top financial and business hubs, it provides students with direct access to multinational corporations, startups, and global networking opportunities. Now let's talk about its ranking and recognitions. PBS is recognized by the French Ministry of Education. It is ranked among the top 100 business schools globally. It has a strong industry collaboration with Fortune 500 companies. Here are the top master's programs at PBS. They have MSc in International Business, Luxury and Fashion Management, Financial Markets and Risk Management, Marketing and Digital Strategy, Entrepreneurship and Innovation, Supply Chain and Operations Management. Now let's have a look at the most important part, the admission requirements for your masters. You'll need a bachelor's degree with GPA 3 and above. No GMAT is required. For English proficiency test, IELTS score should be 6.5 and above, or the TOEFL score should be 85 and above. Work experience is not mandatory, but it does add value to your application. You'll need a CV, SOP and LORs. The application fee costs around 50 euros. Now, the Paris Business School has certain application deadlines. Apply as soon as possible for higher chances before March-April. Now, let's have a look at tuition fees and living expenses. Tuition fees cost around 12,000 to 18,000 euros per year. Living costs in Paris is around 1,200 to 1,500 euros per month. This information may vary depending on the program. To fund these tuition fees, you'll require certain scholarships. The PBS Merit-Based Scholarship funds up to 5,000 euros. The Eiffel Excellence Scholarship covers tuition fees and stipend. And the third is corporate sponsorships and assistantship. To know more about this one, click on the link in the description box. Now, let's focus on part-time jobs and work opportunities. As a student, you can work up to 20 hours per week, where you can make around 11 to 13 euros per hour. There are various jobs available on campus, such as retail, hospitality, digital marketing, and research assistant roles. Now let's have a look at jobs and salaries. The average expected salary is around 40,000 to 70,000 euros per year. With the help of France's 2-year post-study work visa, you can work anywhere in the European Union. So if you want a global business education with a strong career prospect, PBS is a great choice. Wait! Grad-Dreams is offering free counseling for 10 universities. No counseling charges applied. We will guide you from university selection till visa process.